Hey, what up YouTube? We got something a little bit different for you. I'm going to call it the Harley Quick Clip or something like that. It's for my Harley Davidson motorcycle. I know gasoline has gotten very expensive all over the whole country. Here it's $6 a gallon. So I went ahead and picked up a 2010 Harley Davidson Sportster XL1200N. And I want to put some bags on it. So I'm going to have to relocate the license plate and the taillights for those bags to fit properly, so I picked up this Cycle Visions curved license plate frame and mount kit, relocation kit. It puts the plate underneath the fender and it has integrated lights for the turn signals, the brake light, and the license plate light down there. It's supposed to be a plug-in kit for quite a few of the bikes, although some of them require some wiring. It does come with this guy here. I don't know how that attaches yet. We'll see when that comes to it. With this, kit number CV4652 is supposed to fit 10 to 12 Sportster Nightster. If you guys want to see how this project comes out, hit that like and subscribe button. Hang out. Check out some cool videos. Alright guys, have a safe weekend. Peace!